Hello, good morning students. Today is Monday, May 18, 2020, and we are going to continue with the English reading activity number 1. Okay, don't forget to copy today in your notebook and the title for this activity. This is the vocabulary that we are going to study for this lesson. Repeat after me. Number 1, demands. Number 2, element. Number 3, hazardous. 4, poison. 5, remains. 6, renewable. 7, repository. 8, source. 9, split. 10, unstable. 11, waste. Copy this list in your notebook, and then we continue with the definitions. Okay, so here we are. The first word is demands. The word demands is a noun, es un sustantivo. That means asking, especially with authority. For example, a sentence here can be the workers' demands are so important for us. Las demandas de los trabajadores son muy importantes para nosotros. Number 2, element. That word is a noun. Any of the four substances, air, water, fire, and earth, formerly believed to compose the physical universe. Okay, if you remember that word we studied in our science class previously. So that word it can be, for example, remember that an element is a unique substance that cannot be divided into other parts. Recuerda que un elemento es una sustancia que no puede ser dividida en otras partes más simples. Number 3, hazardous. Okay, that word hazardous is an adjective, and another word that you can use instead of task is dangerous. Okay? Dangerous is a word that has the same meaning as hazardous. Okay, that means involving or exposing one to risk as a loss or harm. For example, some fireworks are filled with hazardous substance. Algunos fuegos artificiales son llenados con hazardous substance, with dangerous substance, con sustancias peligrosas. Number 4, poison. That word is a noun. Substance that through its chemical reaction usually kills, injures, or impairs an organism. So a sentence here, it can be some cigarettes contain poisonous substance. Algunos cigarros contienen sustancias venenosas. Number 5, remains. Another word that you can use instead of remains, it can be ruins. Ruinas. To be apart, not destroyed, taken, or used up. For example, here, in some cultures, in some Mexican cultures, we can find some remains of ruins. That means, en algunas culturas mexicanas podemos encontrar algunos restos de ruinas. Then, the word number 6, renewable. Capable or being replaced by natural ecological cycles on sound management practices. Okay, it's an adjective. There are many renewable resources. Hay muchos recursos renovables. Then we continue. Repository. Okay, that is a place, room, or container where something is deposited or stored. Okay, repository, that word, it can be replaced with depository. Okay, are similar words. For example, here I can told you a sentence that is near my house there is a repository of garbage. Cerca de mi casa hay un depósito de basura. Number 8, source. The person, place, or thing from which something, it can be information, goods, etc., comes or is acquired. For example, here in the web, you can find some sources to do your homework. En internet puedes encontrar algunos recursos para hacer tus tareas. Number 9, split. Okay, that word you can interpret as a division, una división, o una ruptura, o romper, o rasgar. The meaning of that word is a tear, crack, or fissure in something, especially down the middle or along. For example, here Einstein told us that we cannot split up an atom. Einstein nos dijo que no podíamos dividir un átomo. But I think that some theories talk about that you can do that. Pero hay algunas teorías que dicen que puedes hacer eso, que es posible. I don't know. We can investigate more about that information. Now, number 10 is unstable. That means not stable, not firm, or fixed. So a sentence here, it can be, radium is an unstable substance. El radio es una sustancia inestable. Now, the next word is waste. Material rejected or unwanted byproduct of a manufacturing process, chemical laboratory, or nuclear reactor. Okay, a sentence here can be, we can't afford to waste electricity. No podemos permitirnos gastar electricidad. Okay, so I want that for this activity you copy first the list, then the definitions, and then you're going to read this text. Okay, you're going to read complete. I'm going to put the audio in the assignment that I post, and at the end you're going to do this exercise 1. Search in the reading and copy questions or sentences with the vocabulary. So that means, for example, demands. You're going to search the word, and for example here I can find the sentence. In all, there are 16 countries that will have some problem meeting power demands without nuclear energy. Okay, you can underline that. Okay, so you can underline the sentence. Oh, sorry. And you write here and copy. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Be waiting for the next activity. Have a nice day. See you soon.